Umuzi lo ugabhe malangabikazi womlilo nakusako namhlanje. Umuntu oqatshe kameroni elingaphandle nguye obize incimamlilo. Uthi batsho bamlindise khulu nakufuze bamphendule.
If they came with me with immediately effect, they could have at least saved other people's life. But at least 5 people dead. We managed to save 2, by the way.
Uweqa msinyaka kwamakhelwane nozo umkhosi kusindise uma weminyaka engaba-40 kunye nomntwana wakhe weminyaka 3.
I managed to take out the small child. I think it's about 4 or 5 years. And then after taking out the baby, I went back again to take out the mother. She was also inside. I tried to open, at least I managed to open the butler more so that we can lift her up from inside, and then we managed to take her out. And I went back for the 3rd time, but I unsuccessful. I didn't manage to rescue 5 of the deceased.
Bengakabe ukukhanya kuhle bona ulomethe njani umlilo kodwa nabesizo lehaba kubathi ngesikhathi kwenzeka isehlaka lesi igezi beyingekho endaweni le.
Emergency services received a call that a house was on fire and with people still trapped inside. And upon arrival on the scene, firefighters were told by bystanders as well as a female of about 46 that there are still 5 people inside the house. Upon initiating firefighting, breaking into the house, 2 bodies were immediately located, but unfortunately they had passed on.
Ababhubhileko babantu abaduna 4, umsanyana weminyaka 6, weli-18, ama-22, ama-24 kunye noma weminyaka 46 budala.